In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel flight ticket and get refund Wizz Air. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect on each screen, and a few tips to avoid surprises while you cancel and request your money back. Start by opening your browser and heading to wizzair.com. This is the official website where you'll manage your booking. If the site asks for your language or country, choose the one that matches your booking so prices and options display correctly. At the top of the homepage, look for the check-in and bookings menu. This is the hub for managing your flights. Click it to open the management options. You may be prompted to sign in or retrieve your booking with a confirmation code and last name. That's normal. Just make sure you have your booking details handy so the system can find your trip. Next, choose upcoming trips. This section lists all your active reservations. Take a moment to identify the correct flight, especially if you've booked multiple legs or passengers. Opening the trip will show your itinerary details and the management actions available for that booking. Select the trip you want to cancel and click Cancel. You'll typically see a summary of what cancellation means for your fare, including any fees and what portion is refundable. If your booking includes more than one passenger or multiple segments, the page may ask you to confirm exactly which parts you're canceling. Read the notices carefully so you understand what will and won't be refunded. This is also where you might see different rules depending on whether you added options like flexible cancellation when you booked. After confirming the cancellation, click Get Refund. Here, Wizz Air will outline how your refund will be issued, often as original payment, travel credit, or a mix, depending on your fare type and the airline's policy at the time. Review the amount, the method, and the estimated processing time before you proceed. If there is a choice between credit and cash, note that credit can sometimes be faster to receive, but may have usage limits, while cash refunds can take longer to appear on your statement. When everything looks right, finalize your selection. Once you're done, keep an eye on your email for a confirmation message and record any reference numbers shown on the screen. Refund processing times vary, so it's normal if it doesn't show up instantly. And that's it. You've gone to the website, opened check-in and bookings, selected upcoming trips, canceled the flight, and requested your refund with confidence.